Perform the indicated operations and, if possible, simplify 3 square roots of 18 minus 5 square roots of 18. Since they have the same radicand, we combine the coefficients. This would be 3 minus 5 times the square root of 18. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, so it's negative 2 times the square root of 18. Let's simplify the radicand, 18. We'll do that by rewriting it. So we have the negative 2 times the square root of 9 times 2. And then separating those two factors, negative 2 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. Square root of 9, of course, is 3. So we have negative 2 times 3 times the square root of 2. And finally, 2 times 3 is 6. So we have negative 6 times the square root of 2.